For coffee lovers, espresso is more than just a drink. It's a daily ritual, a passion, and sometimes even an obsession. But with so many espresso machines available in 2026, finding the perfect one can be overwhelming. Some machines focus on authentic manual craftsmanship, while others use advanced automation to deliver cafe-quality drinks with a single touch. In today's video, we're counting down 4 incredible espresso machines that stand out for performance, design, innovation, and overall value. Whether you're an aspiring home barista, a coffee enthusiast looking for complete control, or someone who wants premium espresso with maximum convenience, there's a machine on this list for you. We'll explore the strengths, features, pricing, and unique advantages of each model so you can decide which espresso machine deserves a place in your kitchen. And if any of these machines catches your attention, you'll find all product links conveniently listed in the video description below. Number 4. Breville Barista Express B870XL. Let's start with one of the most popular home espresso machines ever made, the Breville Barista Express. Breville has built a global reputation for creating innovative kitchen appliances that combine professional-level performance with beginner-friendly usability. The company is especially known for delivering premium coffee equipment at prices that make sense for home users. The Barista Express is designed around one simple idea, taking you from whole coffee beans to rich espresso in less than 1 minute. One of its biggest highlights is the integrated precision conical burr grinder. Instead of buying a separate grinder, everything is built directly into the machine. Freshly grinding beans immediately before brewing helps preserve aroma, flavor, and crema quality. The machine also features dose control grinding, allowing users to adjust the amount of coffee precisely according to their preferences. Another standout feature is Breville's low-pressure pre-infusion system. This gradually increases pressure at the beginning of extraction, helping water evenly saturate the coffee grounds before full pressure is applied. The result is a more balanced and flavorful espresso shot. Temperature consistency is critical for quality espresso, and that's where the digital PID temperature control shines. The machine continuously regulates water temperature to ensure optimal extraction every time. Milk-based drink fans will love the powerful steam wand, which allows manual microfoam texturing. This gives users the ability to create silky milk textures perfect for cappuccinos, lattes, and even latte art. The adjustable grind size dial provides even more control, making it easy to experiment with different coffee beans and roast profiles. For coffee enthusiasts who want an affordable entry into the world of specialty espresso without sacrificing quality, the Breville Barista Express remains one of the best values available in 2026. Price, $626.29. Number 3. Diletta. Bello Espresso Machine. Moving into the premium category, we have the Diletta Bello Plus Espresso Machine. Diletta is a respected Italian-inspired brand focused on handcrafted espresso machines built for serious coffee enthusiasts. The company emphasizes traditional craftsmanship, premium materials, and true barista-level performance. The Bello Plus is handcrafted in Milan, Italy, a city famous for its rich espresso culture and engineering excellence. One of its most important features is the front-mounted PID temperature control system. This allows users to view and adjust boiler temperatures with precision, giving them greater control over extraction and steaming performance. The PID display also functions as a shot timer during brewing. Monitoring shot time is one of the most important aspects of espresso preparation, helping users achieve consistency from shot to shot. Another impressive feature is programmable pre-infusion. Users can program up to 10 seconds of passive pre-infusion, improving extraction uniformity and helping bring out more sweetness and complexity from coffee beans. Energy efficiency is another area where the Bello Plus stands out. Its low-power eco mode reduces boiler temperature when the machine isn't actively being used, helping save electricity while maintaining quick recovery times. Durability is exceptional thanks to the stainless steel case, stainless steel frame, and stainless steel boiler. This construction not only looks beautiful, but is also designed to provide years of reliable service. Unlike fully automatic machines, the Bello Plus embraces a traditional hands-on espresso experience. Manual brewing and steaming controls encourage users to develop true barista skills and refine their craft over time. For coffee enthusiasts seeking professional-level control and authentic Italian craftsmanship, the Diletta Bello Plus offers a rewarding espresso experience that continues to impress. Price, $2,149. Number 2. Jura E6 Platinum 15465. If convenience is your top priority, few companies can compete with Jura. Founded in Switzerland, Jura has become one of the world's most respected manufacturers of fully automatic coffee machines. The company is renowned for innovation, precision engineering, and luxury coffee experiences. The Jura E6 Platinum is a perfect example of why the brand has earned such a strong reputation. This machine can grind, tamp, brew, froth milk, and even handle cleaning processes automatically in less than 60 seconds. At the center of the experience is a bright, intuitive color display that makes navigation simple and user-friendly. Maintenance programs are integrated directly into the system, reducing the complexity often associated with premium coffee machines. Customization options are extensive. Users can adjust coffee strength, beverage volume, temperature, milk foam quantity, and hot water settings to create personalized drinks exactly the way they like them. One of the most advanced technologies inside the E6 is the professional aroma grinder. Jura claims it delivers approximately 12.2% more aroma into the cup by optimizing grinding efficiency and preserving bean freshness. The machine also uses Jura's famous pulse extraction process, often referred to as PEP. This technology optimizes water flow during extraction to produce richer flavors and superior espresso quality. Another key innovation is the 8th-generation brewing unit featuring 3D brewing technology, designed to ensure water flows evenly through coffee grounds for maximum flavor extraction. The Jura E6 Platinum is ideal for users who want cafe-quality beverages with minimal effort. It combines luxury, convenience, and advanced technology into one impressive package. Price: $1,899. Number 1. La Pavoni Professional 16-Cup Lever Espresso. Machine taking. The number 1 position is a true icon of espresso history, the La Pavoni Professional Lever Espresso Machine. La Pavoni is one of Italy's most legendary espresso machine manufacturers. Founded in Milan in 1905, the company has spent over a century perfecting the art of espresso making. Among coffee enthusiasts, La Pavoni machines are often considered functional works of art. The professional model immediately stands out thanks to its stunning polished copper boiler, solid brass base, and elegant wooden accents. Its appearance feels timeless and luxurious, making it a centerpiece in any coffee setup. But the real magic happens when brewing. Unlike automatic machines, the La Pavoni Professional uses a piston-driven manual lever system. This allows users complete control over pre-infusion and extraction pressure, enabling an incredibly personalized espresso experience. Many espresso enthusiasts believe manual lever machines produce some of the richest, sweetest, and most satisfying espresso shots available. The large 38-ounce boiler provides enough capacity to prepare up to 16 2-ounce servings before needing a refill. This makes it suitable not only for personal use, but also for entertaining guests. A built-in pressure gauge provides real-time feedback during extraction, helping users understand and refine their brewing technique. The internal thermostat maintains temperature consistency while enhancing operational safety. La Pavoni also includes a bottomless portafilter, a favorite tool among professional baristas. It allows users to visually monitor extraction quality and improve their espresso-making skills over time. Every aspect of this machine reflects craftsmanship, tradition, and passion. It isn't simply a coffee machine. It's an experience that connects users directly to the art of espresso making. For those who appreciate full control, timeless design, and authentic Italian heritage, the La Pavoni Professional remains one of the most captivating espresso machines available in 2026. Price: $1,739.99.